Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change the logo favicon of your agency account in GoHighLevel. This is essential for maintaining brand consistency across your agency dashboard and giving your account a professional, customized appearance. First, open your web browser and navigate to GoHighLevel.com. Sign in to your GoHighLevel agency account using your credentials. If you're not already logged in, this will take you directly into your agency dashboard where you can manage all your settings and configurations. Once you're inside, take a moment to confirm you're in the agency view. You can verify this by checking the top navigation or profile area of your screen. If you're not in agency view, you'll need to switch to it before proceeding. This step is important because the white label settings are only accessible from the agency level, not from individual client accounts. Next, look to the left side panel and scroll down until you find the settings option at the bottom. Click on it to access your agency's configuration menu. This is where you'll find all the customization options that control how your agency account appears and functions. In the settings menu, locate and click on Company. This section houses all your business information and branding elements. Once you're in the Company section, you'll see a menu along the top of the page. Click on White Label from this top menu. The white label settings are where you can truly make GoHighLevel your own by customizing logos, colors, and other brand elements that appear throughout your agency experience. From the white label page, you'll have direct access to change your logo favicon. Look for the button labeled Upload Logo and click on it. This will open your computer's file browser, allowing you to select the logo file you want to use. Navigate through your files, select your prepared logo image, and click Open. The system will immediately begin uploading your new logo. Once the upload completes, your new favicon will be applied to your agency account, replacing the default GoHighLevel branding with your own. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.